Hello everyone, here's a highly requested in-depth eyebrow tutorial. First up, you're going to need some setting powder, an eyebrow pencil, concealer, and a fluffy brush, a spoolie, a flat concealer brush, and a buffing brush. So first off, you want to remove any shine you may have on the skin. We want the product to adhere to our skin, so we must remove the shine. After, you want to brush your eyebrows upward so you have a clean guide area for where you want to line the brows. When you get that, you want to line the bottom of the brow and the top of the brow to your desired shape. And you want to do this really gently because you don't want your pencil to break. This pencil is really delicate. It's a micro pencil. I'll link the products down below. Well, actually, I'll leave the products down in the description so you'll know what products I'm using. You can use any brow pencil you want, but this is just the one I choose because it's really precise and it gives me a really precise line. So you want to shade in the middle of the brow. You want the tail end of the brow to be darker than the beginning of the brow for that ombre effect. And it also makes the brow look more natural. So then you want to take a little concealer and you want to take your flat brush and gently line underneath the brow. And I say gently because if you use too much pressure or apply too much pressure, the product will seep into the brow and you'll have to try to remove it. You want the brow, you want the product to stay underneath the brow line. When you have that, bring it down away from the brow so you have room to buff it out. If you don't bring it down, you'll be really close to the brow and you'll mess it up. So the further you bring it down, the better, because it avoids you touching the brow and having to go back and fix it. So you want to do the same for the top of the brow. Gently apply pressure and glide the product along the brow. If you use too much product, it will seep into the brow and you will have to try to remove it and clean it up. Now, I will say, if you are only doing your brows and not wearing a full face of makeup, you want the top portion of the brow to match your skin complexion as much as possible. So you want to use a concealer that's your skin complexion or use a foundation shade that matches your skin complexion for a natural look, and you won't have that highlight at the top. Also, it's very important that you buff out all of the product. You want a seamless finish, so buff it out so there aren't any harsh lines and it matches your skin. So here's the finished look. You guys, this does take practice, so keep on practicing.